Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make sure your VPN turns off automatically when you open your bank or crypto apps. In my last video, I talked about how to make sure your VPN turns on automatically when you open your Twitter app. So go check that out on my Twitter or my YouTube channel. So as we all can see that our VPN is quite turned on here. We go to our shortcuts app and go to create a new shortcut. Go to app and choose your VPN app and click on stop connection. And we name that shortcut whatever we want, but here we're going to name it stop VPN. The next thing is to create an automation. Click on that and go to app and make sure you choose all the apps that you don't want to use your VPN with. So here I have my bank app and my crypto apps. So the next thing we're going to do is add an action. You search for shortcut and click on run shortcut and click on the shortcut that we created in the first place. We search for stop VPN. I will make sure we click on that. Then we click next and we have here our automation. So the next thing is to click done and our automation is now created. So whenever you open your blockchain app or any of your bank apps, you get a prompt, and when you run the prompt, your VPN app disconnects by itself. So that's it guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you.